how to remove devices from Google account, or how to sign out your Google account from other devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pivan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove devices from Google account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to head into your device settings. Once you open up your device settings, you want to scroll down and head into the option that says Google. Once you tap on Google, what you want to do is you want to tap on manage your Google account option that you can see on the screen. And once you tap on it, now you can tap on your email address there and you can switch in between your accounts. Now once you're on the account that you want to remove from other devices, you want to swipe to the right and then head into security option. Under security, you want to scroll down below and see that there is where you are signed in option, and there you can see manage all devices. You want to simply tap on it. Here you'll be able to see the number of devices that your account is signed in on. You can tap on the particular device that you wish to sign out from, and then simply tap on sign out, and your Google account will be removed from that particular devices. So this way you can remove devices from your Google account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issue.